This chicken Alfredo has 530 calories and 57 grams of protein. Let me show you how I made it. Chicken breast, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, pasta, cooking spray, add the chicken, seasonings, mix, Alfredo sauce, cottage cheese, blend. Add the pasta, add the sauce, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of pasta sauce, mix. It's creamy, it tastes good. As much as I love Olive Garden, after you try this, you're gonna be making this instead of going out. And this is gonna keep you lean.